vertical range of movement. So we're going to look at dorsiflexion and plantarflexion. It's quite a hard one to measure because we're not actually measuring from the pivot point, which is in this talocrural joint, but we're going to use the line and the fifth metatarsal as a guide for the goniometer. So I can get my client straight into an end position. Actually, I find this is the easiest method. So if my client dorsiflexes as much as possible, I take that down the line of the fifth metatarsal, and with the other arm I bring it up to a neutral position, which is in vertical, so it's pointing up to the ceiling, and my range for that is spot on 15, relaxed climb, 15 degrees, and that's normal range of movement for dorsiflexion. Exactly the same with plantarflexion. Get your client to their end position, and we're going to go down the line of the fifth metatarsal, okay, straight as we can there, and bring the other arm up back to neutral or vertical, and relax client and read off, and we've got a measurement of 68 degrees. Now it's important that you don't get your client to hold positions for too long because they will cramp. Another thing to think about is if a client can't actually get into neutral position. For example, my client, let's say they can't get into the neutral position to take the range of movement, I would measure from their end position, and I would call that a minus for dorsiflexion. So I might say that position would be minus 30 if they can't get any more movement into neutral.